Stop spending thousands of dollars on expensive furniture catalogs. Look at this room. It looks luxurious, cozy, and incredibly high-end, right? What if I told you the total cost to style this entire space was less than a couple of $100s? Most people believe that creating a beautiful, warm, rustic home requires a massive budget and high-end countryside villas. But that is a complete myth. True rustic elegance isn't about how much money you spend. It's about mood, texture, and celebrating the imperfect details that make a space feel like a sanctuary. In this video, I am going to reveal 10 incredibly clever, low-budget rustic decorating ideas that will instantly transform your home into a warm, inviting masterpiece without breaking the bank. Whether you live in a tiny city apartment or a modern suburban house, these timeless design secrets will work for you. So grab a warm cup of coffee, clear your mind, and let's unlock the hidden potential of your home. Before we pick up any tools, let's talk about what rustic style actually means. Rustic decor is not about perfect lines or glossy, shiny surfaces. It loves honesty. It embraces things that feel slightly rough, lived in, and deeply comforting. Instead of chasing flawless finishes, we want to look for natural textures, earthy color palettes, and materials that tell a beautiful story. Global design experts always note that rustic living focuses on comfort over perfection. So, if you have items with character or history, do not hide them, celebrate them. The absolute best way to save your budget is to look around your house with fresh eyes. Before buying anything new, see what you can intentionally repurpose. An old, scratched wooden stool can instantly become a charming side table next to your bed. A faded dining table doesn't need replacing. It just needs a beautiful linen runner. Even a chipped ceramic bowl can hold keys or potpourri on your entryway console. In the world of rustic design, a little scratch or uneven paint isn't a flaw. It's an authentic badge of charm. Your walls set the entire tone for your home, while extensive renovations or dramatic accent walls can cost a fortune. Changing the visual weight of your walls is completely low cost. Start by leaning into neutral, earthy colors. Think soft off-whites, warm creams, beige, or very light sand tones. If you are renting and cannot paint, bring warmth through wall decor. Think simple wooden frames displaying black and white family photos, handmade fabric wall hangings, or even an old, cleaned-up window frame hung as a focal piece of art. It quietly shifts the energy of the room. One of the biggest mistakes people make when decorating is trying to match every single piece of furniture. It can make a space feel rigid, cold, and staged. Rustic elegance thrives on contrast. Try mixing the old with the new. Pair a sleek modern sofa with a heavy, raw wooden coffee table. If your current furniture feels too contemporary, give it a quick, affordable rustic upgrade. Switch out standard plastic or shiny handles for matte black metal or distressed wooden knobs. Sand down a small table to reveal its natural grain. It instantly anchors the room. If you want to make an instant impact on a tight budget, look to your textiles. This is the secret weapon of high-end interior styling. To achieve that cozy rustic aesthetic, stay completely away from shiny synthetic fabrics. Instead, embrace raw, organic materials like cotton, linen, wool, and jute. Layer your spaces. Place a textured jute rug on the floor. Toss a chunky wool throw blanket over your armchair, and use simple linen cushion covers in soft, muted tones. Keep patterns minimal, classic stripes. Subtle checks or solid textures work beautifully. Lighting can truly make or break your design. A rustic home should never feel harsh, clinical, or overly bright. Swap out cool, white daylight bulbs for warm-toned LED bulbs. Avoid using heavy overhead ceiling lights in the evening. Instead, scatter smaller light sources around the room. Use table lamps with linen or fabric shades. Weave soft string lights into open shelves and light a few candles. This creates pockets of soft warmth and deep shadows, making your home feel incredibly cozy and relaxing. Rustic decor is deeply connected to the outdoors, and the best part is that nature is mostly free. Bring the outdoor element inside by foraging for unique branches, pine cones, or beautiful stones. Place dried flowers or eucalyptus branches into amber glass bottles. Introduce indoor green plants housed in earthy terracotta or rustic ceramic pots. Plants breathe life into raw wood and textiles, ensuring your rustic space feels fresh, vibrant, and alive rather than dated. You don't need a massive kitchen remodel to get that classic farmhouse or rustic cottage feel. It's all in the styling details. Consider removing a couple of upper cabinet doors to create open shelving, displaying your everyday ceramic plates. Store your dry ingredients like pasta, rice, and flour in simple, clear glass jars. Lean beautiful wooden cutting boards against your backsplash and hang woven cotton tea towels. These small, functional details add instant warmth to the heart of your home. When it comes to the bedroom, rustic style means stripping away the clutter. Focus on layers of neutral bedding, a single textured accent rug, and minimalist wall decor to give your mind room to breathe. And don't forget your outdoor spaces. Even the smallest balcony or patio can become a rustic escape. Avoid plastic furniture. Opt for simple wooden chairs. Throw down a small woven rug and decorate with clay pots and soft lanterns. It creates a seamless, beautiful flow from the inside out. At the end of the day, a beautiful rustic home isn't built overnight, and it certainly isn't bought out of a catalog. It evolves slowly, reflecting your life, your journeys, and your personal touch. If you love these tips and want a detailed step-by-step guide along with direct design inspiration, be sure to head over to my official website, atwww.homelifestyle.com. I have a complete, deeply detailed article written on this topic waiting just for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a huge like. Leave a comment below letting me know which of these 10 ideas was your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click that bell icon right now so you never miss out on our weekly home decor inspiration. Thank you so much for watching. Lie beautifully, and I will see you in the next video.